Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak to you very quickly about a powerful crystal stone, the ultimate crystal stone to help you enhance your spirituality, awaken your third eye, help you with dream recall, insomnia, depression. This is like the ultimate crystal stone to have. And if you don't have it, you're missing out on a whole lot, making your life that much more difficult. Watch this video all the way to the end. It will be short, but it will be full of powerful information. If you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is the Law of Attraction, Metaphysical Life Coaching channel that brings you information, always in an easy to understand manner. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Now let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is the ultimate crystal stone that you should have on you to help you with your spirituality? That is the amethyst, everyone. Yes, I have these little babies all around my house. I have more of these than any stone in my house. This little baby right here, I keep in my office. I have this here when you guys call in for your coaching sessions. This is the crystal that's on my desk, okay? Now, I also have amethyst crystals in my living room as a crystal tree. I have this one in the living room, but basically this one is most of the time in my bedroom. I have amethyst crystals on my arm, and also sometimes I put amethyst crystals under my pillow or under my bed. So, listen, when it comes down to the amethyst crystal, I have this thing all over my house. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about it and why I use it so much? When it comes down to crystals, and it comes down to crystals involving the head, we're talking about the 6th chakra and the 7th chakra. The chakras that's basically involved with spirituality, third eye, basically your emotions. We are dealing with the amethyst. Now, what is it that I can tell you about this crystal and why I use it so much? The amethyst crystal is associated with your 6th and your 7th chakra. If you don't know about chakras, I'm going to tell you, those are the 2 chakras that you are basically dealing with your spirituality, besides the solar plexus. But we're talking mainly about third eye, crown chakra. And the actual crystal that's associated with that is usually a purple or bluish purple crystal, okay? That's where the amethyst crystal come in at. It is the perfect crystal for that area of your body. Now, let's get to the properties. The one thing that I can tell you right now, that I tell a lot of people that I speak to, the crystal can help you with, and that's insomnia. If you're having problems sleeping, I tell people over and over again, buy an amethyst crystal and put it under your pillow. Let me tell you this now, it will allow you to sleep. You will feel like you've been sleeping for the last 10 hours, but there's only one thing that goes along with it. It's also a dream crystal. So not only will you sleep and enjoy your sleep, but you're going to have a lot of dreams. Amethyst crystal is very, very important when it comes down to dream recall and actually just having dreams. I'm a dream person, so I analyze my dreams and I love to have them. So amethyst works for me both ways. So it helps me sleep and get more rest. At the same time, it allows me to dream. So for me, it works perfect. So if you're having problems sleeping, I advise you, try it out. Buy a small amethyst crystal and put it under your pillow. Now it can be a cluster or it could be a smooth, a tumblerstone, that I have both on my website. Now, besides helping you with sleeping and dream recall, the amethyst crystal is also the psychic crystal. It's the crystal that's going to help you open your third eye, help you with your spirituality. I carry an amethyst crystal on me, not every day, but most of my days I carry it with me. If you're talking about enhancing your spirituality, enhancing your third eye, getting more hunches in your life from your inner self about what's going on, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, the amethyst crystal is the one to carry. Now, when it comes down to spirituality, some people take an amethyst and they hold it in their hands while they're meditating, while they're doing their spiritual practices. or they might have a necklace with this stone on it, and they use that necklace or that bracelet while they're engaging in their spiritual activities. Why? Again, it helps awaken your third eye. It helps you with spirituality. If you're trying to get messages, this is the crystal that I would have on me. I don't do any coaching sessions without having an amethyst on me. I don't do anything spiritually without having an amethyst near me. Again, this is where I do most of my sessions for coaching, and I always have an amethyst here in the room. Now, when it comes down to spirituality, dream recall, opening your third eye, amethyst would be the first crystal that I would tell you to go and buy. Again, while you're engaging in your practices, your meditation, sitting in the room, keep an amethyst in the room with you. Hold it in your hand. Put it on your lap. Wear crystal jewelry where it contains amethyst. There are other crystals that you can use for your spirituality. Now, what do you do if you're trying to have some dream recall? Now, a lot of people cannot sleep with the amethyst under their pillow because of all the dreams or whatever else might be going on. Some people might put the amethyst on their nightstand next to their head. Other people might put the amethyst underneath the bed. And if you have a small one, you can actually put it under your pillow. You can also take the amethyst and hold it towards your third eye. There are so many things that you can do with this. But once you start working with this powerful stone, you will always have it in your home, okay? Again, it's one of the most beautiful stones that you can actually have. Give you a good look at it. It's beautiful. This is an Amethyst Cluster, okay? Then I have other clusters. I have these at the bottom so they don't scratch my furniture. And I have this that I had, oh my God, for about 10 years. It's an Amethyst crystal tree. There are so many things that you can do with amethyst. If you're having problems with depression, anxiety, this is the crystal to have on you. Another thing, people that are having problem with drug addiction and need help with sobriety, this is the crystal to wear. Again, it affects everything head up. So when you're talking about your emotions, you're talking about depression, all of these things are head up, even though it also involves your heart chakra. The amethyst is the stone to have. If I had a person that came to me that's having insomnia or depression or anxiety, I would actually recommend that they buy some type of amethyst. Wear it as jewelry, wear it around their neck. I don't suggest that you wear it all the time because that's how powerful it is. I would only wear it in times that you think you would need it. So like if I'm doing a session, I'm here with my amethyst. If I feel like there's going to be an emotional day at work, I may wear a black crystal and I may wear my amethyst and a pink quartz, which this one contains both, for love, protection, and everything else. So get to know your crystals and start off with, if you need to, the amethyst. This is something that is going to help you in your life. And I'm telling you right now, once you start, you will never stop. So go out there and get you an amethyst. If you don't know where to go, you can go to store.myworldofmetaphysics.com and you will get an amethyst within a couple of days. Again, it only takes a small crystal to actually use for dream recall, insomnia. You can buy just a bracelet. Any of these things is going to help you with your emotions. Again, the amethyst is focused on the 6th and the 7th chakra. It's focused on emotions and depression and insomnia, anything, drug addiction, alcohol addiction. All of these things have to do with emotions. So whatever it is you're using it for, give it a try. Use it along with whatever treatment that you're getting. But I'm telling you now, you will notice the difference. Again, Amethyst Crystal is the crystal to have when it comes down to awakening your third eye, enhancing your spirituality, insomnia, depression, sobriety. This is the crystal to have, and if you don't have it, you are missing out. Don't forget, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. I'm always bringing you the information in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. And go out there and get you an amethyst crystal. Namaste.